Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Honor X7a, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this smartphone. So firstly, you need to download from the Play Store Cube ACR application. Download it and open. Click Next. Choose Grant Permissions while using the app. Allow. Wait a while, choose Enable App Connector. Scroll down, find here Cube ACR, click on it, and Enable App Connector. Click OK. OK, go read. Hello. No thanks. Click read. Click on the cross in the left top corner, and great! As you can see now, all our calls will be automatically recorded, but I suggest you do another thing. So just open recently apps, click on your Cube ACR. So sorry, you need to not to click, but you need to swipe from up to down on this app, and here you will see the lock button, and it means that this app will always in your RAM. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.